Okay, so in this video, what we are going to be covering is a few different areas. First of all, why you would use a MetaMask wallet. Secondly, how to set up the MetaMask wallet. Thirdly, how you can transfer assets to your MetaMask wallet. Fourthly, how you can interact with a DEX using your MetaMask wallet. And then finally, how you can add a custom RPC for a specific project network onto your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so really the reasons why you would want to set up a MetaMask wallet is primarily if you want to trade in DeFi and you want to use a decentralized exchange. But what you can also do with your MetaMask wallet is you can actually store your crypto assets securely. And then finally, another good thing about MetaMask is that it uses the EVM, which is the Ethereum virtual machine. And to explain that very simply, it's a type of language which allows multiple other blockchain solutions to use that same language in order to allow you to transact on their platforms. There are a lot of different layer 1 projects which are EVM compatible, which allows you to be able to connect your MetaMask wallet with their network. Their RPC, will be discussing this at the end of the video, how to do so, which ultimately allows you to have multiple different crypto networks within your MetaMask wallet. And with that being said, let's actually get started with setting up our MetaMask wallet. Before we resume the video, if you still need a personalized discussion, schedule a one-on-one call with us at decryptcrypto.net and we'll be here to support you on your journey. With that being said, let's get back into the video. So the first thing that you're really going to want to do is download Brave browser. For this example, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. It's exactly the same. So with that being said, all you need to do is just type into Google MetaMask wallet. So once you've typed in MetaMask wallet, it will come up as a first thing there. Just make sure it's not an advert. Click on that. It's extremely important. Make sure it's not an advert. Click on it and it will pretty much direct you to where you can download their wallet. So let's go to the download option. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so it'll take me to the Google store. You can verify it's been used by 16 million users, 3.7 thousand ratings, and let's just add this to Chrome. I am now adding that extension and we will go through everything now. Okay, so the first thing that you're really going to want to do is you just want to go here and click the pin, and what that's going to do is it's going to pin your wallet up here on the right, and that allows you to get easy access to it. But as far as actually getting started, just agree to their terms, create a new wallet, agree again, and then you want to create basically a password. So now once you've actually set up your password, make sure you write down your password, hide it from the world, but click accept. So now you're going to be faced with this option where you can actually secure your wallet. This is extremely important because if you lose your laptop, if you lose your phone, however you're setting this up, what would happen is that you wouldn't be able to retrieve your wallet unless you have set up this information. This is the single absolute most important thing, and I cannot make this any more clear, but this is the single most important thing you can ever do for yourself by saving this information and setting it up. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click secure my wallet. Don't do it later, just spend a couple of minutes and do it now. So let's secure my wallet, and nobody is looking except the whole world is looking. So let's just reveal our password, and it will give me 12 words, which is a secret recovery phrase. What I'm going to want to do from here is I'm going to want to write down every single one of these words with the numbers. Literally just copy it exactly how you see this on the screen. And once you have done that, all you do is you just pretty much click next, drop in those words, press confirm, and that would basically mean your wallet has been set up. So now I'm actually going to unlock my wallet, and then I'll get that congratulations, your wallet has been set up. Perfect. You can ignore this, I already taught you to pin this. Okay, so now it's all installed. Let's actually look at the wallet. What you'll notice in the wallet here is in the top left, we have all of the different networks, which are basically EVM compatible, which allows me to be able to see all of the different crypto projects, layer 1 projects, using the EVM. So with this one here, you can actually see my Ethereum balances would actually be specified here. How you actually transfer from a centralized exchange to this wallet is very simple. All you do is when you're on a centralized exchange, withdraw Ethereum from a centralized exchange on the Ethereum network, very important, on the Ethereum network, and withdraw it to this address right here. You can see this address, just copy it to the clipboard and paste it into that centralized exchange and withdraw directly here. Okay, so I have now actually funded my account, and you can see here I now have 0.25 Ethereum. And so what I'm currently doing right now is I'm actually on Uniswap, which is a DEX built for Ethereum. I am going to just connect my wallet to this website. And as you can see here, it's already connected. Now, the reason why I'm on this decentralized exchange is because I want to show you how you can actually buy another asset that is on the Ethereum network. So in this specific example, I'm probably going to want to buy a project called Lila. So this isn't the right way to do this. The best way to actually select a token that you would like to buy using your Ethereum is this way. So first of all, just go to CoinMarketCap, type in the project that you would like to actually purchase, and over here on the left what you will have is their contracts, and this is the contract address for this Lila protocol. Okay, so I want to buy this one, so I'm just going to go back to Uniswap, go to here as far as the token that I'd like to purchase, paste that address, and it will populate right here. Click on that, and now if I would like to buy this, all I do is I just specify amount that I'd like to buy for it. So in this case, if I use 0.02 Ethereum to buy Lila, I would receive 88 Lila tokens in return. And all I do is just press swap. What it will ask me is to confirm this. And one thing you also need to consider is when buying a crypto asset on a decentralized exchange, you need to allow for something called gas. The gas is what makes the transaction go through. It allows miners to get paid, and it allows the contracts to actually go through. So in this specific case, in order for me to create this transaction, it's going to cost me $55.69 as far as gas fees. So my 0.02 Ethereum isn't actually enough for me to be able to buy 88 Lila tokens. I actually have to do less in order to cover this network cost of $53. And the reason why that happens is because of something called network congestion. If there's a lot of transactions occurring on the Ethereum network, the price for the gas goes up. If there isn't that much, it's pretty quiet, the price of gas goes down. And you can see that by this price going up and down. So one thing that I also want to mention as well is what you will notice here is I have a balance of 6,493 Lila tokens in my Ethereum network wallet. However, when I actually open up my MetaMask, it's not showing here, which is a problem. And I'm going to show you how to solve that. All you need to do is just go to import tokens, click on this button, and then remember the contract address that I copied from CoinMarketCap. All I do is just drop that address into here. And so I'm going to have to actually add a custom token. And here, perfect. You can actually see it has now been imported. So what I can actually see here now is my activities. So now let's just say I'm happy with actually selling my Lila token for Ethereum. All I do is just press this button to switch it. I'll select the amount of Lila token that I'd like to sell, and it will give me the option to sell it to Ethereum. I just press swap, make sure I have enough Ethereum in my wallet to cover the gas fees, approve, swap, and that would sell it back to Ethereum. Now the last thing that I also want to cover is in this specific case, we have an asset called Lila which is EVM compatible. So what I want to actually do here is I want to add this to my networks within my MetaMask wallet. All I do is I just go to add network, and it will give me an option to add network manually. However, in this specific case, all I need to do is just go to liquid layer, go to the mainnet, and this is the exact details that it will provide you for that. So all I need to do is, let's just say liquid layer is the network name. I'm going to add this manually. I'm going to put in liquid layer as the network name. The network URL is this, okay, which is the new RPC URL, okay. And the chain ID, I'm just going to copy that one. And then the ticker is Lila. And then the block explorer is here. And then let's just save that. So now it's connecting to my Lila network. What I can do is I can actually switch to liquid layer. Okay, great. So now let's see actually how this works. What you'll notice here is when I go to my networks, I can actually choose my mainnet, which is on Ethereum, and I'll have my Ethereum cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network showing here. However, for this case, I want to see Liquid Layer, which is another network using the EVM, and I can actually see all of my assets. And that's pretty much it. What we've done in this video, just to summarize, is we've explained how you can actually set up a MetaMask wallet in very easy steps, how you can actually trade on a decentralized exchange, and how you can actually add a network for another crypto project which is EVM compatible. We'll be making a video in the future which actually shows you how you can bridge an asset from one network to another network. And just so that makes sense, I just purchased a Lila token on the Ethereum network. However, the Lila token is a native token on the Liquid Layer network. So it's a separate protocol, but it was tradable on Uniswap, which allowed me to buy it from Uniswap on the Ethereum network. So what I would want to do if I'm bridging is to move my Lila tokens from the Ethereum network onto the Liquid Layer network. And that's pretty much what bridging is. With that being said, have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.